Do you get excited waiting for something special to happen? Like waiting for your birthday cake or the school bell on the last day of class? That feeling has a special name. Today's word is anticipation. Can you say it with me? Anticipation. Let's spell it together. Ready? A-N-T-I-C-I-P-A-T-I-O-N. That spells anticipation. Anticipation means expecting or waiting for something with excitement. Here are some words that mean the same as anticipation. Say them with me. Excitement, like waiting for a surprise party. Expectation, like looking forward to a fun trip. Eagerness, like running to open a gift. Hope, like wishing for a sunny day. Suspense, like waiting for the end of a story. Each one shows how anticipation means looking forward with joy. Now let's look at the opposites of anticipation. Surprise, when something catches you off guard. Dread, when you don't want something to happen. Doubt, when you're unsure about what's coming. Indifference, when you don't care either way. Apathy, when you have no interest at all. That's the opposite of feeling anticipation. Here's a great example. Sofia felt anticipation bubbling up before her birthday party, like she was about to open the biggest present ever. Quick review. Anticipation means expecting or waiting for something with excitement. Synonyms: excitement, expectation, eagerness, hope, suspense. Antonyms: surprise, dread, doubt, indifference, apathy. Great job! Anticipation makes every moment more exciting. It's the joy of looking forward. Your challenge: think of something you're looking forward to right now. That's anticipation at work. Waiting for something special makes the moment even brighter when it comes. Amazing job! Tomorrow, another word journey begins.